Now that we have Valentine's Day in the rear view mirror, I'm just wondering how you experience love from your partner or your boyfriend, your husband, your beloved over the holiday, the Valentine holiday we had last week. Because if you didn't experience the kind of love that you'd hoped to, maybe you've been in a relationship for a long time, things are kind of going stale, or you're in a new relationship, but you don't seem to have that spark and it's starting to fade and you're starting to feel a little panic. Whatever the case, I think this video is really going to help you, because I was thinking about how anticlimactic Valentine's Day can be for ladies in a relationship, not just for women that are single, but if you're in a relationship, it could be like a lot of anticipation, and then it just goes flat because the experience you had wasn't what you hoped it would be. So I thought I'd make a video about how to make him love you more, so that going forward you can really create more of that juicy, yummy love vibe that only you are all dying to have. And I certainly love when I'm feeling really embraced and just a little cocoon by Michael's love. But let's check this out. Okay, in my experience, this one tip that I'm going to give you, the first tip, there's just 3, is really going to be a game changer. And I don't think we do this enough, and it's so easy. You can just start doing it right now by not taking your eyes off this video for the next 2 minutes. Eye contact, that's the first tip. Michael loves it when I hold direct eye contact and I just look in his eyes and I don't look away, and I'm just holding that gaze, and I can even practice pouring out love to him. I could just look at him and just be pouring love out like I'm doing right now to you. I'm just thinking about love, I'm being love, and I'm just sending that to you. See how powerful that is, that loving gaze? So pour more love out by giving him a direct eye contact. All right, the second tip I'm going to give you in this really short, quick video is a warm smile that went along with the eye contact, right? Warm smile. All men love a warm smile. And here's what it says. It says, I approve of you, I accept you, I respect you, and I'm into you. That's what a warm smile says. It's like, welcome home. You're home and you're welcoming him. And so just a warm smile just goes so far with men. They're out there. They do a lot for you. Maybe sometimes you don't feel they do enough, or they don't appreciate you, or they're maybe not doing things lately that are really, ringing your bell, but you've just got to get back into the flow of things, and the warm smile is going to help you to do that. Now, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget, like, subscribe, and please post a comment in the comment section, because I'd love to hear from you, and send this video to a friend who might need a little pick-me-up today. All right, the third and final tip on how to make him love you more is laugh at his jokes. Easier said than done, right? Michael loves to tell jokes, and he's very witty, and that's a sign, by the way. A side note is it's a sign of highly intelligent people. People that are highly intelligent are witty. So Michael is very witty, and he's cracking jokes, and he has riddles, and he's just constantly, and he wants me to really spend time not just laughing at the joke, but really getting the jokes and listening to him. And it kind of all fits together, what I said, the eye contact, the warm smile, laughing at his joke. It's just gonna melt him. So find humor in the things that he says, smile, and make eye contact. And I promise you, ladies, you can turn a relationship around by being consistent in these 3 tips. Okay, I hope that helps. Sending you lots of love today. Bye.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the 2 of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to.